Alright, today I'm doing a short review about the Bostitch compressor 6-gallon compressor combo. This combo comes with the compressor and the brass nailer. Alright, so let's open it up and see what we got. Hose, air hose, manual, useless manual, as usual. Air. Compressor. And the nailer in the box. Today I'm not doing any nailing, so let's just take a look at the compressor first. By the way, Bostitch SB1850BN nailer, 18 gauge brass nailer. So it only comes with a hose. This is quite a small hose, and yeah, plastic, small plastic hose. I prefer rubber hose, but well, it's free, so why should I complain? And let's see, this compressor, it's a 6-gallon pancake compressor. It's got 2 outlets, and let's see, adjust the pressure on off button, and that's pretty much it. Very simple, huh? Let me plug it in and see how it runs. Alright, so I'm ready to plug it in. Let's see, so this is a quick connect, which is pretty light. Not very easy to hook up. On the back here we have a valve for bleeding air out. Alright, I'm ready. I plugged it in, and let's turn it on and see how loud it is. It is very loud. I'm standing about, we're about 5 feet away, and I think I have to wear an ear muffler because this is quite loud. Alright, the compressor now is full, and let's see, it stops at 160 PSI when it's full. Okay, it automatically stops, and it runs really loud. think I had to run away and find the ear muffler because it was way too loud, which is expected because this is a compressor that doesn't oil to for lubrication. So as a comparison, I have my Craftsman 6-gallon compressor. This is my old compressor, and I've had it for a few years now, and it runs just fine, no problem. And this new compressor here from Bostitch, but they look hard enough, they're pretty much the same. Look at how they make the leg. You see, it's exactly the same, and the construction is almost the same except the top part is a bit different. But other than that, they are pretty much the same, even though this Craftsman compressor here is about, I would say, 7 years old, and it's exactly the same, just different name. I think the inside here are probably the same too, just shaped differently, but probably the same. And the loudness is the same. When the Craftsman runs, it's as loud as the Bostitch, and it sounds exactly the same. So even though these made by two different companies, but they probably originate from the same factory, I would say. You know, after the years, they changed the shapes of the top, but they are basically the same thing. Alright folks, that's my short review of the Bostitch 6-gallon compressor, and thank you for watching.